Origin and history of mind maps. Mind maps are a powerful and versatile tool that allows us to organize and visualize our thoughts, ideas, and information clearly and effectively. However, its origin dates back centuries, and its evolution over time reflects humanity's constant desire to understand and represent the world around it in a more efficient and creative way. To understand the history of mind maps, it is important to consider the context in which they emerged and the pioneers who contributed to the development of this technique. Ancient origins. Ancient Greek philosophers, such as Aristotle and Plato, already explored the idea of representing information in a visual and hierarchical way. Plato, for example, proposed the theory of forms or ideas, which suggests that the material world is an imperfect representation of universal concepts. These ideas can be considered precursors of mental maps, as they imply structuring and organizing concepts into hierarchy levels. From the Renaissance to the Enlightenment. During the Renaissance, the study of the human mind and cognition rose to prominence, with figures such as Leonardo da Vinci exploring the connections between art, science, and thought. However, it was only in the Enlightenment that the first more explicit attempts to map the mind emerged. Philosophers such as John Locke and René Descartes proposed theories about the structure of the mind and the nature of knowledge, which indirectly influenced the design of mental maps. The 20th century and Tony Buzan. However, it was only in the 20th century that mind maps became a formally recognized and popularized technique. One of the pioneers in this field was the British psychologist Tony Buzan. In the mid-1960s, Buzan began to develop his ideas about how the human mind works and how we can harness its full potential. He realized that conventional learning techniques, based on memorization and repetition, were often limited and did not reflect the brain's true creative and associative capacity. Tony Buzan's contribution. Buzan proposed mind maps as a more effective and intuitive alternative for organizing information and stimulating creativity. He emphasized the importance of using images, colors, branches, and keywords to represent ideas in a visual and nonlinear way, better reflecting the natural functioning of the brain. With his publications such as Use Your Head, 1974, and The Mind Map Book, 1993, Buzan popularized the mind mapping technique throughout the world, making it accessible to students, professionals, and people interested in personal development. Continuous evolution. Since then, mind maps have continued to evolve and adapt to the needs and technological advances of modern society. With the advent of digital technology, numerous tools and applications have emerged to create and share mind maps collaboratively and in real time. Additionally, scientific research continues to explore the cognitive benefits of mind maps and their potential to improve learning, memory, and problem-solving. Conclusion. In short, mind maps have a rich and multifaceted history, dating back to ancient times and continuing to evolve to the present day. Pioneers like Tony Buzan played a crucial role in popularizing and developing this technique, demonstrating its value as a powerful tool for organizing thought, creative expression, and personal development. By exploring the origin and history of mind maps, we can gain a deeper understanding of their importance and potential to transform the way we think and learn. See simple mind map examples. Benefits and applications in different areas. Mind maps are a versatile and powerful tool that offers a wide range of benefits and applications in different areas of life. Whether in education, business, creativity, or personal development, mind maps can be used in a variety of ways to improve organization, communication, and creative thinking. In this chapter, we will explore the specific benefits of mind maps in different contexts and provide concrete examples of their practical application. Education. Mind maps are a valuable tool for students of all ages as they help organize information in a clear and visually appealing way. They can be used to summarize class content, revise before exams, plan research projects, and stimulate creativity when exploring new concepts. For example, a history student might use a mind map to visualize connections between important events, while a science student might create a mind map to understand the relationship between different scientific concepts. Business. In the business environment, mind maps are often used to facilitate communication, strategic planning, and problem solving. They can help teams visualize goals and objectives, map work processes, create marketing plans, and organize information during meetings and brainstorming. For example, a project manager might use a mind map to track the progress of a project and identify areas that need additional attention, while a business owner might use a mind map to visualize business ideas and develop an action plan. Creativity. Mind maps are an effective tool for stimulating creativity and generating innovative ideas. They allow people to freely explore different associations and connections between concepts, making it easier to create original solutions to complex problems. Artists, writers, and musicians can also benefit from mind maps as a way to organize their ideas and inspirations before starting a new creative project. For example, a graphic designer might use a mind map to plan the layout of a website, while an author might use a mind map to develop the plot of a novel. Personal planning. Mind maps are an effective tool for personal planning and developing goals and objectives. They can be used to create to-do lists, organize schedules, visualize career plans, and set priorities. Additionally, mind maps can help people identify areas of interest and explore new opportunities for personal and professional growth. For example, one individual might use a mind map to map out an action plan to reach their fitness goals, while another might use a mind map to plan a trip around the world. Memorization. Mind maps are an effective tool for improving memory and information retention. By creating and reviewing mind maps, people can strengthen their neural connections and facilitate the learning process. Mind maps can also be used to organize complex information in a meaningful way, making it easier to understand and remember. For example, a student might use a mind map to review vocabulary in a new language, while a professional might use a mind map to memorize important information before a presentation or meeting. In summary, mind maps offer a wide range of benefits and applications in different areas of life. Whether in education, business, creativity, personal planning, or memorization, mind maps can be a valuable tool for improving organization, communication, and creative thinking. By exploring specific examples of how mind maps are used in each area, we can better understand their potential and find new ways to apply them in our own work and daily lives. Techniques for creating effective mind maps. Mind maps are a powerful tool for organizing and visualizing information, but creating an effective mind map requires skill and technique. In this chapter, we will explore a variety of techniques and strategies to help readers create mind maps that are clear, intuitive, and effective in conveying their ideas. 1. Structuring the mind map. One of the first steps in creating an effective mind map is establishing a clear, logical structure. This involves identifying the central theme of the mind map and organizing the information hierarchically around that theme. Start by writing the central topic in the center of a blank sheet of paper, then add branches or main subtopics that branch out from it. 2. Choosing relevant keywords. To ensure your mind map is concise and easy to understand, it's important to choose relevant and meaningful keywords to represent the information. Choose short, descriptive keywords that capture the essence of each concept or idea. This will help make your mind map more visual and easier to scan. 3. Use of colors and images. Using colors and images can make your mind map more attractive and memorable, as well as help highlight different sections and concepts. Try using different colors for each branch or category in your mind map, and add relevant icons or images to illustrate important ideas. This will not only make your mind map more visually interesting, but it will also make it easier to associate and remember information. 4. Organization of information. When organizing information in your mind map, try to follow a logical, intuitive sequence that makes sense to you and others who may view it. Group related concepts close together and use lines or arrows to indicate connections and relationships between different parts of the mind map. This will help make the structure of your mind map clearer and easier to follow. 5. Simplification and synthesis. One of the main advantages of mind maps is their ability to simplify and synthesize complex information in an accessible and easy-to-understand way. When creating your mind map, focus on essential concepts and avoid cluttering the map with unnecessary details. Use short, direct sentences and avoid using jargon or overly technical language. 6. Review and refinement. Finally, remember to review and refine your mind map as needed to ensure it meets your needs and goals. This may involve adding or removing information, adjusting the map structure, or improving its visual appearance. Don't be afraid to experiment and iterate with your mind map until you find the version that works best for you. In short, creating an effective mind map requires practice and attention to detail. By following techniques such as structuring your map clearly, choosing relevant keywords, using colors and images effectively, and organizing information intuitively, you can create mind maps that are powerful organizational and communication tools. Try different approaches and find the one that best suits your thinking style and specific needs. Tools and applications for creating mind maps. With the advancement of technology, creating mind maps has become more accessible and convenient than ever. In this chapter, we will explore a variety of tools and applications available for creating mind maps, from traditional options like pen and paper to specialized software designed to facilitate the mind mapping process. 1. Paper and pen. One of the simplest and most accessible ways to create a mind map is using paper and pen. This allows complete freedom and flexibility in map creation, as well as providing a tactile experience that many find rewarding. Just start by writing the central topic in the center of a blank sheet of paper and add branches and subtopics as they arise. 2. Specialized software. There are several specialized software options designed specifically to create mind maps digitally. Some of the most popular include MindMeister, a web-based tool that allows you to create, share, and collaborate on mind maps in real time. It offers a variety of features such as integration with productivity apps, exporting to different file formats, and syncing across devices. Xmind, a mind mapping software with an intuitive interface and a wide range of features, including support for multiple diagram types, customizable themes, and flexible export options. FreeMind, an open-source application that offers a simple and effective way to create and organize mind maps. It is lightweight, fast, and easy to use, making it a popular choice among those looking for a free, open-source solution. 3. Mobile apps. In addition to computer software, there are also many applications available for mobile devices that allow you to create mind maps on the go. Some examples include SimpleMind, an intuitive and easy-to-use app that offers a variety of tools for creating mind maps directly on your mobile device. It includes features such as support for multiple map styles, exporting maps to different formats, and synchronization with cloud storage services. MindNode, an elegant and powerful app that lets you create visually stunning mind maps on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. It offers a simple and intuitive interface, support for touch gestures, and advanced customization features. 4. Choosing the best tool. When choosing a tool to create mind maps, it is important to consider your individual needs and work preferences. Evaluate factors such as cost, ease of use, available features, and integration with other tools and apps you use regularly. Try different options and choose the one that best suits your thinking style and workflow. In short, there are a variety of tools and apps available for creating mind maps, each with its own strengths and unique features. Whether using pen and paper, specialized software, or mobile apps, finding the right tool can help you get the most out of your mind mapping practice and improve your ability to organize and visualize your ideas. Try different options and find out which works best for you. Successful case studies. In this chapter, we will explore a series of case studies that demonstrate how mind maps have been used successfully in a variety of real-world situations. These examples offer valuable insights into how mind maps can be applied in different contexts to achieve meaningful results. Case Study 1. Using mind maps in education. An elementary school teacher implemented the use of mind maps in her science classes. She found that mind maps help students better visualize and understand abstract concepts such as the water cycle and the food chain. Students also reported a significant improvement in their ability to retain information and connect concepts together. Case Study 2. Application of mind maps in companies. A marketing team at a technology company adopted the use of mind maps to plan a product launch campaign. They used the mind map to visualize every step of the process, from market research to campaign execution. The result was a successful campaign that exceeded the target audience's sales and engagement expectations. Case Study 3. Using mind maps in problem solving. An engineering team faced a complex problem while developing a new product. They used a mind map to visualize all the variables and identify possible solutions. The mind map allowed them to explore different scenarios and evaluate the consequences of each decision. As a result, they were able to find a creative and effective solution to the problem. Case Study 4. Improving personal productivity with mind maps. A self-employed professional started using mind maps to organize his daily tasks and prioritize his work. He found that mind maps helped him visualize all his responsibilities clearly and avoid information overload. As a result, he was able to increase his productivity and meet deadlines more easily. Case Study 5. Using mind maps to stimulate creativity. A group of artists and designers held a brainstorming session using mind maps to explore new ideas for a collaborative project. They found that mind maps allowed them to generate ideas freely and without restrictions, which led to a series of innovative and inspiring concepts for the project. Conclusion. These case studies highlight just a few of the many ways mind maps can be used successfully in real-world situations. Whether in education, business, problem-solving, personal productivity, or stimulating creativity, mind maps offer a versatile and effective tool for organizing information, generating ideas, and achieving meaningful results. By exploring these examples, we hope to inspire readers to try mind mapping in their own lives and discover the transformative potential of this practice. Practical exercises for readers. In this chapter, we will present a series of practical exercises and activities for readers to put into practice what they have learned throughout the book. These exercises are designed to help readers develop and improve their mind mapping skills while exploring different aspects and applications of this valuable technique. 1. Create a mind map of a topic of interest. Choose a topic of personal interest, such as a hobby, work project, or study topic, and create a mind map to explore and organize your ideas about the topic. Use colors, images, and branches to represent different aspects and connections related to the topic. 2. Solve a problem using a mind map. Identify a specific problem that you would like to solve in your personal or professional life and create a mind map to visualize all the variables and possible solutions. Explore different approaches and use the mind map to help you develop an action plan to solve the problem effectively. 3. Practice memorization with mind maps. Choose a set of information that you would like to memorize, such as vocabulary in a new language, key concepts in your field of study, or important data for a work project. Create a mind map to organize and visualize this information in a meaningful way, helping you retain and retrieve knowledge more easily. 4. Explore creativity with mind maps. Take time to hold a brainstorming session using a mind map to generate ideas about a specific challenge or creative project. Allow yourself to freely explore different associations and connections between concepts, making the most of the creative potential of mind maps. 5. Reflect and evaluate progress. Create a mind map to reflect on your personal and professional progress over time. List your achievements, challenges faced, and lessons learned, using the mind map as a tool for self-assessment and ongoing development. 6. Create a mind map for future planning. Use a mind map to visualize your goals and plans for the future. Identify specific goals you would like to achieve and create branches for the steps needed to achieve them. Use the mind map as a guide to guide your actions and make decisions aligned with your goals. Conclusion. These hands-on exercises give readers the opportunity to put into practice what they have learned about mind maps throughout the book. By participating in these activities, readers will be able to develop their mind mapping skills while exploring different ways to apply this valuable technique in their personal and professional lives. We encourage readers to try these exercises and discover the transformative potential of mind maps in their own journey of learning and growth.